Step 5, navigating the Barcode Logic JustScan Scanner software. The first thing we'll do is, with the Android, you look for the Barcode Logic JustScan logo, which is normally quite easy to find. It's an orange and yellow circle with BL in the centre. Double tap that to start the program up, and then you'll be on the main menu of the JustScan Scanner. What you need to do first is actually go and do the settings for the actual JustScan Scanner. Within the settings, there's only a few options. You can prompt for the quantity. If that's turned on, the scanner, when it scans a barcode, will wait for you to then enter a quantity. If it's turned off, each time you scan, the scanner will accept a default of 1 for each scan and then move on for you to scan the next item. It's going to leave it turned on for here. The second option is to allow fractional quantities. So you can have that turned on if you require fractional quantities, or turned off if you don't. The third option is to check that the items are in the lookup file. This is if you are using a lookup file to verify the information that you're scanning. It has the 4 fields in it of barcode, description, price, and stock on hand. The last area, if you scroll up, is the FTP settings. You need to make sure that these are set up so that the scanner will communicate directly back to the FTP server. So earlier we actually got the host name and the IP address that you will need to have from the BL FTP server, Barcode Logic's one, under the help area. So we've entered in the host name, which is the IP address, the port, Barcode Logic, the password, and the server path. What we can do at this stage is test the FTP server to make sure that it's communicating. And it's saying yes, it's connected okay. If you did have a problem with it connected, that's where you would go back and check that the actual IP address and the other information that is on this screen is also in your FTP server on the PC. So I'm just going on and putting it on the screen so that you will actually be able to see that. So you would check that the local host is correct, the Wi-Fi address is correct. So we can close that now, and you can see that it has successfully connected. And that is the end of setting up the options, doing all the settings for the scanner. The next thing that you would do, you've already created and imported your file. If you're using the file, what we need to do at this stage is receive that data or that file onto the scanner. So you would simply touch on the received data. The scanner will go and look if there's a current file available, and it will actually tell you that the file has been received okay. Once you've done that, the next thing we'll do is count our stock. So touch on the count stock, goes into the screen, and this is where we would start to scan the barcode. To scan the barcode, there's a bottom down the bottom of this scanner. So we press on that and scan the item. We're going to put a quantity of 8, press the green arrow, and you can see that it's actually put the description, the price, and the stock on hand quantity. Once we've done that, it's ready to actually scan the next one. This time we're going to have a quantity of 4 and press on the tick to accept. And you can see now that there's 20 litres and there was a stock on hand quantity of 8. So you would continue to scan your stock. And if you only got one, then just press enter and it's ready for the next one. You'll always know it's ready for the next one because the barcode text area is actually empty. Once you've completed counting your stock, you would actually exit using the arrow to go back to the main menu. You've finished your count and now you will send the data to the PC ready to be opened back on your PC. And that completes navigating the software on the Barcode Logic JustScan scanner.